Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best electric trailer jacks that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Uriah Products UC5000105000LB. It is among the best electric trailer jacks you can get in the market. With the 7 ways to connect, it is a highly reliable trailer jack. You will find accommodating in your daily trailer operations. With a maximum carrying capacity of 5,000 pounds, you can count on it to realize excellent performance in your everyday applications. It uses a 12 DC motor to offer you the best performance possible. Easy-to-use design makes it a preferred jack in the industry. Water-resistant motor avoids cases where it can fail after a short while. At number 4, Husky HB4500 4,500 pounds. The trailer jack is essential in your truck operations. With a capacity of 4,500 pounds, you will use it to handle a wide range of trailers. Up to 18-inch full stroke and the 6-inch adjustable drop-down leg reduces wear and tear when operating the jack. With a 3-sided LED light system, it illuminates the hitch for quick operation. Friction-reducing ball provided makes the unit a long-lasting one. The weather-resistant connector makes the whole assembly lasting. At number 3, Lippert 285318 LB Black Power Tongue Jack. The power tongue jack is built to last. With its electric leveling and the push-button start, you will find it very easy when operating the power jack. With up to 3,500 pound rating, you can apply it to handle a wide range of trailers. Textured casing help in protecting chips from cracks. 4 LED lights offer excellent lighting when the jack is in operation. The use of helical cut gears helps in reducing noise as well as improving operational efficiency. At number 2, Quick Products JQ3500B Electric Trailer Tongue Jack. The electric jack has been built to guarantee you the best performance. Jack holes are provided to allow for easy mounting. Water-resistant electrical components and the heavy-duty steel contribute towards making it highly durable. Sleek plastic housing will make you feel comfortable handling the trailer jack. The manual crack override allows easy operation in case of battery failure. Weatherproof cover contributes towards making it highly durable. If you need quick towing of your trailer, then the jack can be a great choice. It is built to make the whole process of towing your trailer easy. At number 1, Amplock UBP2516RV, Trailer Coupler Lock. AMP Drummond Inc. is not an insurer, and the protection provided by its products is limited and not absolute in case of theft. Therefore, its responsibility is expressly limited to the warranty relating to manufacturing defects. AMP Drummond Inc. reserves the right to modify the manufacturing and/or characteristics and/or design of its products without prior notice, or incur the obligation to exchange the products already sold. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.